Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you a brand new Amigurumi book, which is now available on Amazon. This is called Aquatic Amigurumi 2. And yes, there was an Aquatic Amigurumi 1. This is an excellent, excellent book. I find this very fun to work up. The first book I absolutely enjoyed. I did work up a couple of the patterns. They're very well written. But this is so adorable. So I thought I would do a quick run through with the book with you. So here we have the beautiful cover. And here is the back. Now the items in this book are all done in a sport weight yarn. This is the name of the author, Natasha Tishenko. There we go. So I pre-ordered this book on Amazon, so I only paid $17.41 for it. At the making of the video right now, I think it is like $19.99 or $19.98. So the first pattern in the book is a puffin. That's so cute. I love that little anchor. That's adorable. And then she does have, while it's not a complete pick tutorial, there are pictures to assist you with the patterns. The patterns are written out. And then the second one is Miles the Ray. There's the back of the stingray. And I'm going to show you another photo which shows you the underneath of the stingray. So here is Miles the Ray, the back of him and the underneath of him. So he does have a face. That is absolutely adorable. Our next pattern is Justina the Mermaid. So there she is. Absolutely cute. Love that. So we have Justina the Mermaid. Then we have Noah the Seahorse. And here is Noah the Seahorse. There you go. And to give you an idea of what size they are, her samples were crocheted up with sport weight yarn, and the seahorse would be 8.5 inches tall. So if you made this with another weight yarn, be DK weight or worsted weight, obviously the seahorse would be much larger. Alright, and as we move on, here is Noah done in different colors, like greens. So let's go on to the next character. Next we have Flash, the X-ray fish. I think Flash is adorbs. I love that little lantern that Flash is carrying, just to show you he's an X-ray fish. Okay. And our next fish is Edwin, the butterfly fish. Very pretty fish. Very pretty. And obviously you don't have to use the colors that were used in the book. You can use any colors you'd like. This is Genevieve, the lifeguard. Very pretty. I'm just a big fan of her crochet. Very big fan. This is Nibbler, the yellow boxfish. So there is a boxfish. All of her patterns seem to have a certain characteristic about them. This is Henry the squid. How cool is that? Henry the squid, the finished size of Henry, from the top of there to the bottom of the longest tentacle is 11.5 inches when made with sport weight yarn. That would be a number 2 weight yarn. for those of you wondering. And next we have Jack, the captain. So there is the captain. There we go. And so we continue on. We have Marcus, the turtle. And on top of one of Marcus is a snail. So there we have the turtle with a little snail on top. And yes, there is the little pattern for the snail in here. And next we have Felix, the blue whale. And for those of you wondering the size of Felix, the sample is done in sport weight yarn. Felix is 6 inches by 10 inches, including the lighthouse. So that gives you an idea of Felix. So that's from the top of the lighthouse to the bottom of the bin. There is Felix. He's so cool. I would have such a good time making him. And she really does color coordinate her characters. There we go, is a bunch of her characters together. They are really well coordinated. She does tell you the type of yarn she uses. Next we have is Mari, the narwhal. There's Mari, the narwhal, with a little seagull on the back. Let me see what it says. Mari the narwhal is 11 inches long with tusk, when made with sport weight yarn. I don't see the brand. Optional, there was a wooden skewer used in the tusk. Here is the narwhal made in a different color. Oh, my camera's blowing that out a little bit. Sorry about that. And next we have Ross, the hammerhead shark, which is super cute. Love the hammerhead. Really glad she made a hammerhead like that. And right about to the last pattern. The last pattern is Charlie, the blue-footed booby. And there is the blue-footed booby. That is so cool. So, all of her samples were done up in 2-weight yarn. There is, on every pattern, a QR code where you can go and get videos to assist you with tutorials. And of course that is the author of the book. So it has these little flaps so you can mark your page. I really do enjoy this book. I like how it's just the characters for the index, the table of contents. I do like that. It's very good. It's very well written. Absolutely enjoy this book. So I highly, highly recommend it. If you like making amigurumi, this is a really good book. Especially if you like making things from the ocean. So I hope you enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.